This heavy-duty double-sided tape from Couzeely uses a high-performance foam adhesive that delivers strong, reliable grip for demanding mounting jobs on cars, homes, and offices. The generous length and extra-wide design make it practical for larger projects where you want continuous support instead of relying on multiple small strips. Because it is made from dense acrylic foam, the tape flexes slightly with surfaces, helping it hold securely on panels, trims, and other parts that may vibrate or expand with temperature changes. Its resistance to water and high temperatures means it continues to bond well in kitchens, bathrooms, and outdoor locations where moisture and heat usually cause weaker tapes to fail. Installation is straightforward, with a peel-and-stick backing that allows small adjustments before full pressure is applied, so you can line things up accurately without wasting pieces. The tape adheres well to many common materials like metal, glass, plastic, and painted surfaces, making it a versatile solution for mounting light strips, decor, and automotive accessories without drilling.